Hi everyone, this is Billy from Major Loop and welcome to the new video of Bitcoin price prediction. After a long break, we're back again with new hybrid format here in Major Loop. But before talking about it, we will have a quick look at the chart. The Bitcoin price tried to break the resistance level at 10,000 and approximately 450. Just you can see here, tried the top and then couldn't break the resistance level, and then it's going down now. So the price is now it's 9,500, and we will be talking about it a bit later back again. Bitcoin is, like way beyond other currencies and commodities. As you know, there are many factors affecting prices in the market. I'm talking about other fiat currencies, of course. However, Bitcoin is something literally invented recently and digitally. It brings many extraordinary opportunities, both from financial and transactional aspect. Because of these facts, there are other factors apart from traditional ones setting Bitcoin prices. So with our new hybrid format, apart from technical analysis, we will talk about international politics, market sentiments, and Bitcoin news to take a look at the big picture. As we are in February now, I think we can still say we are in the beginning of the year, so we will be talking about how we have started to 2020. So let's begin. Unfortunately, New Year began with shocking, saddening and tragic events so far. The raging conflict between USA and Iran, Ukrainian civil aircraft hit by a missile, coronavirus, death of Kobe Bryant, US President Donald Trump's impeachment, increasing tension in Libya, as Bitcoin is being taken as an alternative safe haven just like gold, each international crisis and news being served in an extreme dramatic way by manipulators and speculators. You can see these kind of reactions in cryptocurrency forums, social media and blogs. Knowledge is power, and we all should understand this. Just against misleadings and manipulators, I will try to explain how to read or take these news in the coming episodes. Before jumping to price prediction part, I'd like to show a quick example what I'm talking about, these, reading news. As you might remember, on 8th of January, Iran hit the US base in Iraq. So let's have a look what happened back at that time. So I'm gonna go to 8th of January, just from here. So now we are looking at 8th of January, the price. This is the exact date when Iran hit the US base located in Iraq. So the price, it was 8.5k, and then after the incident, after Iran's response to US attack, let's say, the price went down to 7.7k. Why I'm talking about this? Because these days people, they were talking about World War III is coming, the price will skyrocket to 20,000, 30,000, like skyrocket in 2 days or in a week or something like that. But as you can see, nothing like that happened. So reading these kind of news or taking the things in a really proper way is really essential during your trading analysis. And we'll be talking about these in the coming episodes. So now let's continue with our chart. A couple of weeks ago, I have noticed a nice cup and handle formation on 4/8 chart, and I was showing these to my friends as well. So now I will try to explain what does it mean and how can we see that. So as you can see, here is the cup making this, and then here is the small handle. So basically that's why it's called cup and handle formation. And after a cup and handle formation, we can see a bullish movement if we see some further movement upwards, and I will try to explain why and how. So during a cup and handle formation, basically we should observe the wear bottom and the wear mid of the cup. So it's here in this level, and then you can see the handle here. So there's this resistance level, it's just going downwards and then coming back upwards trying the resistance, can't break it, and then going down back again and reaching the resistance level back again. So it's just showing and it's just forming the handle here, and our cup is here. So what happens after a cup and handle formation? Well, my sentiment and market sentiment is bullish, so I was expecting a movement upwards as bullish. So I will show you, I will try to explain you what should we do and how we can calculate the movement after cup and handle formation. So basically we look for the bottom and the very middle of the cup. It's just, you can just see here, and then basically you divide it from the middle until the end of the handle. So you can see that it took 41 days, and it's written approximately 250 bars. So this is the behavior of the market and the price within this range, and within this period. So after a perfect cup and handle formation, you expect the price double from the bottom. What I'm talking about is you just basically copy this square and you just implement here where handle ends. So when we copy the same range and the same amount as 41 day and 250 bars, the price, our target is reaching to 12,800 approximately, and the target price for 9th of March, I've just noted it. So I'm expecting the price to reach this level at this time. But this scenario is, like if cup and handle formation works in a perfect way. So since I didn't have the chance to calculate these levels, like really in a detailed way, these level might change to 12,300, let's say. But basically I'm expecting the price around this level on 9th of March. So after breaking the resistance upwards, the price, like located itself in the square, and with you guys I'll be observing whether we can achieve this target or not. It will be quite exciting actually. I'm really looking forward to it. So now let's have a look what's going on today and what was happening a few days ago. So after trying to break the resistance level at 10.5k, the price was struggling downwards a bit, but I would like to show you here something. Actually, when the price reached 9.6k, the price wanted to move upwards back again, and then came back downwards and tried the resistance level back again, and then it couldn't reach the level, and then it just went down again. So here we can see this perfect, almost perfect double top formation. And what is double top? Some of you guys already know this, but I will try to explain in a brief way for the new beginners. So the price is going upwards from the bottom. It's just coming back here and going back upwards and coming back downwards to the bottom. So this is called double top formation. As you can see, it has this Y shape. And then this means like the price couldn't break the resistance level. Here you can see the necklace level, and here is the resistance level, and now the price is bouncing back from 9.5k. And now I'm going to show you something else, because we are expecting a double bottom formation. Basically it's the upside down version of double top formation, but on a larger scale we are expecting this, because after trying to break the resistance level at 10.5k, the price went down to the support level, major support level, 9.5k. So it came back downwards and trying to reach the bottom back again to the 10,000 level, approximately the psychological level, and then coming back downwards 9.5k. So bottom, resistance level, neck level, and bottom again. So I'm expecting a movement from 9.5k backwards, towards 10,000. So we will be seeing these hopefully in a few days. So our psychological resistance level is 10k, and then our technical resistance level is 10.5k. If we reach these 10k and 10.5k in the coming days, I can assure that we'll be seeing some nice bullish movements upwards. So it will be really exciting to observe these. Now let's continue. General market sentiment is bullish because of high expectations of Bitcoin halving. This is happening in every 4 years to regulate the Bitcoin price and deflation, which likely to be happened in, I think, 18th of May. But there's another important thing that I need to show you, because this is giving me goosebumps literally, and it's called the Golden Cross. So I'm gonna have a look at it on a larger scale, and I'm going to hide these indicators, Ichimoku as well. Let's hide volume, and I'm going to adjust moving average as 50. So you can see this line is turquoise color, it's moving average 50, and this pinky one is moving average 200. And as you can see now, moving average line 50 is just crossing upwards. It's coming from the bottom and crossing over 200. And then this phenomenon is called Golden Cross. And let me show you what happened to the Bitcoin price after the last Golden Cross. So remember that we have to cross it from downwards, and we will be going back. So we are here now. Last Golden Cross, it was 24th of April 2019, so almost 10 months ago. The price, you can see guys, it's 4.5k, the last Golden Cross. And then just look what's going on with the price. It's reaching to 13,000. So from 4.5k to 13,000, can you see the potential, guys? So it's just repeating itself, or it's about repeating itself, and you can see the potential here. But we'll be seeing these soon. First my target, and then in the coming months, let's see how the price will react after this Golden Cross. So in the next video we are going to take a closer look to Bitcoin halving and Golden Cross phenomenon. When you start losing your hope and concentration, you also start losing your money. So I strongly advise you not to lose your hope, guys. And let's get in touch each other in this channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Share your thoughts about our new video format, price predictions, market trends, and video content. Major Loop is always here to support and help you. And please subscribe and spread the word. This is Blee from Major Loop, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading!